Once upon a time, in the dark ages before Wi-Fi, before smartphones, and before people argued online about the dumbest things, there was a belief: Earth was flat. And then someone stood up and said, "No, it's round." And the world said, "Shut up, nerd." Okay, so forget Columbus. He didn't prove anything. People already knew Earth wasn't a flying pizza long before him. But the first guy? That was a Greek philosopher named Parmenides, or maybe Pythagoras, or maybe even some random Egyptian scholar. But the real credit goes to Eratosthenes, the man, the myth, the mathematician. This guy didn't just say Earth was round, he proved it. And he didn't even need satellites or Google Earth. Just a stick and some sunlight. One day, he noticed that at noon, in a city called Syene, the sun shined directly down a well. No shadow. But on the same day, at the same time, in Alexandria, a stick did cast a shadow. Now, instead of saying, "Huh, that's weird," and moving on like the rest of us, he did math and figured out that the Earth must be curved. Eratosthenes' calculations were shockingly accurate. He estimated Earth's circumference to be 40,000 kilometers. Modern science? 40,075 kilometers. He was off by just 75 kilometers, without a computer. But instead of getting a Nobel Prize, people just kind of went, "Huh, cool story, bro." And then centuries later, medieval Europe was like, "Nah, actually Earth is flat again." Fast forward to today, where we have NASA, satellites, and literal photos of Earth, and some people still think it's flat. So what do we learn from this? That truth doesn't always win immediately. That even if you prove something, some people will still deny it. But hey, Eratosthenes did something incredible. He proved the world was round, with just a stick. So next time someone tells you, "I don't believe in science," remind them, some dude figured out the shape of the planet 2,000 years ago, using shadows. What's your excuse?